And I'm moving the push rod up and down with my fingers while I'm tightening on this nut. Now all I'm doing is getting to a point to where there's no more up and down movement. It can move side to side, but it will not move up and down. Okay, there it is. There's no more up and down movement. There is side to side movement, but it's not moving up and down. So now I'm gonna go do all of them, then turn the engine a quarter of a turn, do them all, turn the engine a quarter of a turn. I'll do eight quarter turns or 2 full revolutions of the engine, and then we'll be set. So now I'm gonna do 3/4 of a turn on each one of them. Start at 12 o'clock, come all the way around to 9 o'clock.